Are you looking for the best all-in-one printers under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best all-in-one printers under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2760. The first printer on this list comes from Epson, and it's called the EcoTank ET2760. It's a rather compact printer that can be an amazing option for students and for those who need it for black and white printing because it excels in that department. One amazing feature that this affordable Epson printer has is the auto duplex, which works seamlessly. Other features include the moderately good display, which is 1.5 inches in size, SD card printing, Wi-Fi connection, and a USB 2.0 connection. The app that you need to install in order to print wirelessly, Epson iPrint, is a great one and will let you easily scan, print, and copy directly from your iPhone. Printing costs are very low, and that is one of the strongest points of this printer. However, it's not the most color-accurate printer in the world, and we wouldn't recommend it if you plan to use it for printing photos. Unlike many other printers, the ET2760 doesn't use disposable cartridges, rather refillable ones, and that cuts the printing cost by a lot, which makes this printer amazing for those who need to use it from time to time. If you use an Epson printer with ink cartridges and have an issue with clogged printhead nozzles, feel free to check out how to clean them here. Number 2. Brother MFCL 2710DW. This all-in-one laser printer from Brother is an excellent addition to any home office. With its great number of features and fast printing speeds, 32 parts per million is its maximum. It's no wonder it makes our list of the best printer under $300. It holds a great number of sheets, 250, and they are very easy to fill. The initial setup process is very straightforward. For wireless printing, you'll need to download and install the Brother app, which will make it easy for you to print and scan from your smartphone or any other supported mobile device. This Brother laser printer has a very good printing quality for text files and other documents, but you shouldn't expect an excellent printing quality for photos, since this is a pretty affordable printer. It also features a small LCD with which you can control the print, copy, and fax settings. One thing that amazed us is the copying, as it's very fast and it will meet all your copying needs. If you don't know how to connect your Brother printer to your Mac wirelessly, our how-to guide will help you. Number 3. HP LaserJet Pro M404N. The first entry from HP on this list is their M404N from their LaserJet Pro printer lineup. Unlike the previous two printers that we mentioned, this one doesn't have the copy and fax features, as it only has the print option. But it prints considerably fast, which is one of its strongest selling points. Other great things that this printer possesses are the auto duplexing feature, 250 sheet tray, fairly good printing quality, and the much important security feature called the Secure Print. It also has a rather small display on the top of the printer that lets you control the printing settings. With all the strong sides that the LaserJet Pro M404N has, it also has one downside, which is the higher printing cost. It can be a big issue for those who are planning to use it regularly, but for those who will only use it occasionally for printing text documents, that shouldn't be a big issue. Overall, it's a solid printer at an affordable price, and if you need a printer for light usage, the HP LaserJet Pro M404N should be a great option. Number 4. Canon TR8620. The Canon TR8620 printer is designed for use in home offices and small office spaces. It's the most affordable printer on this list and one of the most compact. You would expect that a printer that is this affordable would have a poor printing quality, but that is not true at all. The TR8620 has a fantastic printing quality, and the department where that printing quality shines is the photos. Most of the time, affordable printers have a bad photo printing quality, but the TR-8620 truly fascinated us. Another great thing about this printer is that it can print directly from an SD card, but also has wireless, Bluetooth, and Ethernet connectivity options if you prefer that. However, the Canon TR-8620 has two downsides that can bother some people. First is the higher printing cost, which, if you don't need to use it all the time, wouldn't be that big of a deal. Secondly, there is no auto duplex feature. But this printer is engineered and intended for light usage, is very affordable and compact, which will a lot of people love. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. The second printer from HP found itself on this list, and this time it's the one from their OfficeJet Pro series. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E has a ton of positive sides to it, some of which include fast printing, copying, and scanning speeds as well. Next is the fantastic output quality, good printing costs, and the nice 2.7 inches LCD. It has the standard USB connectivity, and wireless and Ethernet as well. However, its most important feature must be auto duplexing, which is always a welcome addition. However, it's not a perfect printer, as it does have a couple of downsides. When it's printing it can be quite loud, and there is no SD card slot, which is found on the less expensive printers. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E is a great printer. The price is affordable, and with its great printing quality and fast printing speeds, you can't go wrong with it.